Good morning. Today's topic is about viral hepatitis. Going into the topic, what is viral hepatitis? Viral hepatitis is a systemic disease with primary inflammation of the liver by any one of the heterogeneous group of hepatotropic viruses. The most common causes of viral hepatitis are the five unrelated hepatotropic viruses: hepatitis A, B, C, D, and E. In addition to the normal hepatitis viruses, other viruses that also can cause liver inflammation, which are includes herpes simplex, cytomegalovirus, Epstein-Barr virus, and yellow fever. Coming to the clinical terminology, hepatitis means inflammation of the liver. Acute viral hepatitis is in which symptoms last less than 6 months. Acute hepatic failure is appearance of severe complications rapidly after the first signs of liver disease such as jaundice and indicates that the liver has sustained severe damage up to loss of function 80 to 90% of liver cells. Massive hepatic necrosis with impaired consciousness within 8 weeks of onset of illness is termed as acute hepatic failure. Chronic hepatitis is inflammation of liver for at least 6 months or greater than 6 months. Cirrhosis is replacement of liver tissue by fibrosis or scar tissue. This changes leads to the loss of liver function. Fulminant hepatitis, severe impairment of hepatic functions or severe necrosis of hepatocytes in absence of pre-existing liver disease. Viral hepatitis, historical perspective. Infectious viral hepatitis is uh, A is infectious. Coming to hepatitis A, formerly known as infectious hepatitis or epidemic jaundice, is an acute infectious disease caused by hepatitis A virus. The disease is heralded by non-specific symptoms such as fever, chills, headache, fatigue, generalized weakness, body aches and pains, followed by anorexia, nausea, vomiting, dark urine, and jaundice. The disease is benign with complete recovery in several weeks. The epidemiological determinants of hepatitis A: agent factors such as agent factors which includes agent, the causative agent, which is hepatitis A virus, is an enterovirus belonging to the Picornaviridae family. It multiplies only in hepatocytes. Resistance: the virus is fairly resistant to heat and chemicals, withstands heating to 60 degrees centigrade for 1 hour, and is not affected by chlorine in doses usually employed for chlorination. Formalin is stated to be an effective disinfectant. The virus is inactivated by ultraviolet rays and by boiling for 5 minutes or autoclaving. Reservoir of infection. The human cases are the only reservoir of infection. Period of infectivity. The risk of transmitting hepatitis A virus is greatest from 2 weeks before to 1 week after the onset of jaundice. Infective material is by mainly man's feces. Virus excretion. Hepatitis A is excreted in the feces for about 2 weeks before onset of jaundice and for up to 2 weeks thereafter. Host factors. Age: infection with HIV is more frequent among children than in adults. However, people from all ages may be infected if susceptible. Both sexes are equally susceptible. Immunity after attack probably lasts for life. Environmental factors. Cases may occur throughout the year. In India, the disease tends to be associated with periods of heavy rain. Coming to the diagnosis: demonstration of virus in feces, blood, bile by immunoelectron microscopy. Virus isolation, detection of viral antibodies by ELISA. Biochemical tests such as alanine aminotransferase, bilirubin, and protein. Molecular diagnosis is by RT-PCR of feces. Prevention: hygienic measures and sanitation. Passive immunization by human immunoglobulin, gamma globulin given before exposure to virus or early during the incubation period will prevent or attenuate a clinical illness. Active immunization: several inactivated or live attenuated vaccines against hepatitis A have been developed. Treatment is non-specific, dietary food, and long rest. Hepatitis B. Hepatitis B, formerly known as serum hepatitis, is an acute systemic infection with major pathology in the liver caused by hepatitis B virus. Transmission is by parenteral route. The acute illness causes liver inflammation, vomiting, jaundice, and rarely death. Chronic hepatitis B may eventually cause cirrhosis and liver cancer. Hepatitis B is the endemic throughout the world, especially in tropical and developing countries. Epidemiology determinants. Agent factor. Hepatitis B virus. It is a complex 42 nanometers double shell DNA virus originally known as DANE particle. It replicates in liver cell. HBV occurs in three morphology form in serum. Small spherical particles with an average diameter of 22 nanometers. Filamentous are tubules of varying length and of 22 nanometers diameter, and DANE particle. Out of three morphology forms, only the DANE particle is considered infectious. Other circulating morphology forms are not infectious. Reservoir of infection. Man is the only reservoir of infection which can spread either from carriers or from cases. Infective material. Contaminated blood is the main source. Viruses have been found in body secretions such as saliva, vaginal secretions, and semen is infected material. Resistance. Readily destroyed by sodium hypochlorite, assist by heat sterilization in an autoclave for 30 to 60 minutes. Host factor. Age. Acute hepatitis B 90% resolve by themselves, less than 1% develop fulminant hepatic failure. Occurs in approximately perinatal period 1%, childhood 10%, and late infection is 30%. Chronic hepatitis B 2 to 10% progress to chronic state. Occurrence is in approximate percentages is perinatal 95%, childhood 80%, after 5 years of age 5 to 10%. High risk group for hepatitis B virus, people from endemic regions, babies of mothers with chronic HBV, intravenous drug abusers, people with multiple sexual partners, hemophiliacs and other patients requiring multiple blood transfusions, healthcare personnel who have contact with blood, patients who are immunocompromised. Humoral and cellular response. HBV has three distinct antigens. HBsAg, also known as Australian antigen or surface antigen. HBcAg, core antigen. HBeAg, envelope antigen. They stimulate production of corresponding antibodies. Incubation period is for about 45 to 180 days, but normally it's about 60 to 90 days. Diagnosis is by serological techniques, liver chemistry tests, AST, ALT, ALP, and total bilirubin. Histology is immunoperoxidase staining. HBV viral DNA, most accurate marker of viral DNA and detected by PCR. Liver biopsy to determine grade of inflammation and stage of fibrosis in chronic hepatitis. Serologic events. HBsAg is the first marker to appear in blood after infection. Anti-HBs, that is HBs antibody, disappearance of HBs antigen and appearance of anti-HBs signals recover from the HBV infection and non-infectivity. Anti-HBC IgM anti-HBC appears shortly after HBsAg is detected. HBcAg alone does not appear in serum. IgM HBC may also occur, or can persist for 3 to 6 months or longer. IgG HBC also appear during acute hepatitis B but persist indefinitely. HBe antigen appear in blood concurrently with HBs antigen or soon afterwards. HBe antigen is soluble protein found only in HBAg positive serum. E antigen indicate viral replication and infectivity. Persistence of E antigen in serum beyond 3 months indicate an increased likelihood of chronic hepatitis B. This is the chart depicting the when and where first antigens and antibodies appear. Interpretation of the common serological patterns in HIV infection. In acute HIV, if HBs S antigen, E antigen positive, and the IgM antibody for C antigen is detected, then it is most likely acute HBV infection, which is highly infectious. Presence of S antigen, E antigen, and IgG antibody for for C antigen indicates late or chronic HBV infection or carrier state, which also indicates high infectivity. Presence of S antigen along with IgG antibodies for core antigen and with or without E antigen interprets that late or chronic HBV infection or carrier state with low infectivity. With or without E antigen and E E antibody and presence of IgM C antibody is the interpretation is seen rarely in early acute HBV infection the patient is infectious. Presence of IgG HBC antibodies with or without antibodies to S and E antigen indicates remote HBV infection. Infectivity nil or very low. Presence of only anti-HBs antigen antibodies interprets immunity following HBV vaccine. Prevention of HBV is by vaccination. Highly effective recombinant vaccine are available. Hepatitis B immunoglobulins exposed within 48 hours of incident are neonates whose mothers are HBS and HBeAg positive. Other measures includes screening of blood donors, blood and bodily fluids. National immunization schedule for hepatitis B is at birth or as soon as possible within 24 hours. Dose is 0.5 ml. Route is IM. Site for immunization is anterolateral side of mid-thigh. Hepatitis B 1 to 3 strains. 1 to 3 doses can be given at 6, 10 and 14 weeks respectively. The dose is same and the route and site for immunization is also same. Coming to treatment, interferon alpha, intron A response rate is 30 to 40%. Lamivudine for relapse and drug resistance. Idefovir dipivoxil in the name of Hepcera can be also used. Coming to hepatitis C. Hepatitis C is an infectious disease affecting primarily the liver caused by hepatitis C virus. The infection is often asymptomatic, but chronic infection can lead to scarring of the liver and ultimately to cirrhosis, which is generally apparent after many years. It is estimated that 150 to 200 million people, or 3% of the world's population, are living with chronic hepatitis C. HCV infection is prevalent in India too, with an estimated 12.5 million cases. Overt jaundice is seen in about 5% of patients only. The important part in type C hepatitis is the chronic illness. About 52% of patients progress to chronic hepatitis. Incubation period for hep C is 40 to 120 days. Mode of transmission is by intravenous drug use, healthcare exposure, by blood transfusion, transfusion of blood products, organ transplantation without HCV screening, hemodialysis, accidental injuries with needles or sharps, sexual or household exposure to anti-HCV positive contact, multiple sexual partners, vertical transmission of hepatitis C from an infected mother to her child. Diagnosis is by HCV antibody. ELISA is used to diagnose hepatitis C infection, not useful in the acute phase as it takes at least 4 weeks to form antibody. HCV RNA, various techniques are available, example PCR and branched DNA, may be used to diagnose HCV infection in the acute phase. However, its main use is in monitoring the response to antiviral therapy. HCV antigen and EIA for HCV antigen is available. It is used in the same capacity as HCV RNA test, but is much easier to carry out. Prevention. Only general prophylaxis such as blood tissue organ screening is possible. Non-specific active or passive immunizing agent is available. Treatment is by interferon therapy or ribavirin based therapy. Hepatitis D is also referred to as hepatitis D virus and classified as hepatitis delta virus, a disease caused by small circular enveloped RNA virus. HDV is considered to be a subviral satellite because it can propagate only in the presence of hepatitis. Incubation period is, is about 2 to 12 weeks. Mode of transmission. The primary route of transmission is believed to be similar to those of HBV, though HDV does not appear to be sexually transmitted disease. Clinical features. Infection is dependent on HBV replication as HBV provides an HBsAg envelope for hepatitis D virus. Two types of infection are recognized, co-infection and superinfection. In co-infection, delta and HBV are transmitted together at the same time. In superinfection, delta infection occurs in person already harboring HBV. Coming to diagnosis, the delta antigen is primarily expressed in liver cell nuclei, where it can be demonstrated by immunofluorescence. Anti-delta antibodies appear in serum and can be identified by ELISA. IgM antibody appears 2 to 3 weeks after infection and is soon replaced by the IgG antibody in acute delta infection. Prevention for HBV-HDV co-infection, pre or post exposure prophylaxis to prevent HBV infection, screening of blood donor for HBsAg, HBV, HDV superinfection, education to reduce risk behaviors among persons with chronic HBV infection. Coming to hepatitis E virus, hepatitis E is a viral hepatitis caused by infection virus called HEV, hepatitis E virus. Although hepatitis E often causes an acute and self-limiting infection, it is that usually goes by itself and patient recovers with low mortality rates. It bears a high risk of developing chronic hepatitis in immunocompromised patients with substantial mortality rates. Hepatitis E occasionally develops into an acute severe liver disease and fatal in about 2% of all cases. In pregnant women, the disease is more often severe and is associated with a clinical syndrome called fulminant hepatic failure. HEV is a spherical non-enveloped virus, 29 nanometers to 32 nanometers in diameter, with an single-stranded RNA genome. The surface of the virion shows indentation and spikes. The virus is very labile. It has been classified in genus Herpes virus under the family Calciviridae. Annual reservoir HEV peaks incubation period is 2 to 9 weeks. Mode of transmission spread mainly by the fecal-oral route due to the fecal contamination of water supplies or food, and person-to-person transmission is signs and symptoms of hepatitis E virus. In acute infections, the incubation period of Hep E virus varies from 3 to 8 weeks. After a short prodromal phase, symptoms lasting from days to weeks follow. They may include jaundice, fatigue, fever, and nausea. Viral RNA becomes detectable in stool and blood serum during incubation period. Serum IgM and IgG antibodies against hepatitis E virus appear just before onset of clinical symptoms. Recovery leads to virus clearance from the blood, while the virus may persist in stool for much longer. Recovery is also marked by disappearance of IgM antibodies and increase of level of IgG antibodies. Chronic infections, while usually an acute disease in immunocompromised subjects, particularly in solid organ transplanted patients, hepatitis E may cause a chronic infection. Occasionally, this may cause liver and cirrhosis. Diagnosis: ELISA kits are available for IgG and IgM antibodies using recombinant and synthetic peptide antigens. Prevention is by sanitation. Avoid drinking water of unknown purity, uncooked shellfish, uncooked fruit or vegetables not peeled or prepared by traveler. Hepatitis G virus, formerly known as hepatitis GB virus C, which is formerly known as hepatitis G virus, also known as HPGV, is virus in the Flaviviridae family and a member of the Peggy virus genus. Is known to infect humans but is not known to cause human disease. HGV RNA has been found in patients with acute, chronic, and fulminant hepatitis, hemophiliacs, patients with multiple blood transfusions, hemodialysis, IV drug abusers. Thank you.